Welcome to an Achieving Science video. This video is going to look at using moles. Within this video then we're going to look at an exam style question. So the information that is given to you is 1.6 grams of oxygen reacts with 2.4 grams of magnesium. Within this reaction then it forms 4 grams of magnesium oxide. Now the question asks you to use the information to deduce the equation for the reaction. So look carefully at this information that is provided, as the first step within tackling this question is to record the information precisely. So let's work it out. So what do we already know from the question? Well, from the question it tells you what the reactants are. It also tells you about the product. The reactants in this question are, you have 1.6 grams of oxygen reacting with 2.4 grams of magnesium. There is only one product in this case, and the product is magnesium oxide, of which you form 4 grams. Now you can use other information, so you know the relative atomic masses of each of these elements. So therefore oxygen would therefore be 32, as you've got 2 atoms. Magnesium would be 24, and magnesium oxide would be 40. Now, using this information you can work out how many moles of each substance you have, as you will know the equation. Number of moles is equal to the mass divided by the molar mass. So therefore you can divide 1.6 by 32 to identify the number of moles of oxygen is 0.05. You can therefore work out 2.4 divided by 24 means you have 0.1 moles of magnesium, and also you have 0.1 moles of magnesium oxide being produced. So therefore let's simplify this a little bit more. In the reaction you have magnesium reacting with oxygen to produce magnesium oxide. You have 0.1 moles of magnesium reacting with 0.05 moles of oxygen to produce 0.1 moles of magnesium oxide. Now you need to find the simplest ratio by dividing all the mole values by the smallest one. So 0.1 divided by 0.05 equals 2. 0.05 divided by 0.05 equals 1. And 0.1 divided by 0.05 equals 2. The final equation is therefore 2 mg plus O2 gives you 2 MgO. So you use these ratios to therefore now fill in the number in front of each of those elements and compounds.